My name is Lassie Albin, and this is your future career. Your MBA is a game changer. You've immersed yourself into rapid learning and invested time and money for your career. And in the end, you want to know which corporate building you'll be walking into the day after your graduation. Without following a systematic approach, you run a high risk of painfully landing in the wrong building. Now give yourself the best chance to get that job that you deserve. After taking this course, you will be able to pinpoint your target companies, present the best version of you, and land the right job. Follow the steps, put in the hours, and there it comes, the payoff. You will be one of the future leaders who will make a true impact. My name is Lassie Albin, and this is your future career.